So I want to change out one of my lights near the bench. It's one of the high bay 4 LED bulb lights, but it hasn't been lighting up correctly. It keeps killing bulbs because of the crappy way it works. So I'm taking the old one down, and I forgot to hit record when I was putting the new one up. But the new one's basically, as you see, put a screw in 2 places, slide the light in, and then you're done. So it's not that exciting. You didn't miss much, in other words. But yeah, I forgot to hit record. Oh well. So today I finally decided to get a new shop light. And it's from Home Depot, Commercial Electic LED. There's the specific one I got. And it doesn't have replaceable bulbs. It just has the built-in ones. And it has 2 methods of installing. One was chain and hook and one was flush mount. The old ones I had didn't do flush mount, so I had to use the chain. This is the one I took down. Basically, you drill a hole, put a screw in, or should I put a screw in. So I had the boards in the ceiling from previous attachments, because that's the easiest way I've found to put lights up. When you have drywall, it's just put a piece of plywood up, then you can screw wherever. So put a screw in, and it said 46.2 inches. Well, I just guessed where to put one here, and it turns out I had a hole on this side where I had taken the screw eye out that had been hanging the chains before. That was just slightly past 46 inches, so I figured, okay, well, we'll try that. It went up. The one thing, since it's one of those slide in and lock, I did put a screw in on this side so it can't slide back out and fall down. Because there's nothing worse than you think the light is there and then suddenly it's not. But it puts a decent amount of light, and it's nice and secure now. Because you can see that there's not much light on this area now. I turn just that on and it comes very usable. And if I turn my other light on, it gets slightly brighter, which means it's worth keeping, I guess. Although, now that that one's there, I may take this one down as well and just get another one of those. Because the problem with these is, well, that's the same reason I put wooden and metal ends on this one, is the failing with this model light is these end pieces wobble. And if they wobble wrong, it tends to have an intermittent connection and fries your LED bulbs, which is annoying. That's why I think part of what happened with this is it fried enough bulbs, or who knows. But in any case, they weren't all lighting up as expected when they were expected to. And the ones that were still lit were not very bright. So now it's replaced with one that's sturdy and it's up higher. And the benefit, the previous light, this door would hit. Now it goes under the light. And I had pulled this up as high as it would go because I couldn't get the chains up higher to put them up. So yeah, I think it's going to work really nice. Like I said, I might get another one. We'll see. But that was the starter project of the day. We'll see what else I get into. But at least that worked.